Hello everyone, this is Nirvani Geeks on the YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about put AI to work in supply chains. From predicting demands to optimizing routes and even automating warehouses, artificial intelligence is transforming the way supply chains work. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is making supply chains smarter, faster, and more resilient. Supply chains are backbone of global business, but they are also complex, involving suppliers, manufacturers, logistic providers, and customers. AI brings intelligence to this network by analyzing massive amounts of data and making smarter decisions in real time. Let's see where AI already at work in supply chains. One thing is demand forecasting. AI predicts future demand by analyzing sales history, market trends, and even weather patterns. This helps business avoid overstocking or running out of products. For example, Walmart uses AI-driven forecasting to optimize its inventory globally. Second one, inventory optimization. AI-powered systems balance stock levels across warehouses and retail stores. This reduces cost while ensuring customers always gets what they need. For example, Amazon AI predicts product demand and shifts inventory closer to customers. Route optimization in logistics. AI chooses the best delivery route by considering traffic, fuel consumption, and delivery deadlines. For example, UPS uses AI-based iron software to save millions of gallons of fuel every year. Warehouse automation. Robotics and AI collaborate to speed up picking, packing, and shipping. For example, Okado's AI driven warehouse robots fulfill thousands of orders per hour. Why are companies racing to put AI to work? First thing is efficiency. Faster decision making and reduced human error, cost savings, optimized inventory and logistics, reduced waste. Resilience put AI help supply chains adapt to disruptions like natural disasters or pandemics. Sustainability smarter resource usage lowers carbon footprints. But implementing AI isn't without challenges. Data quality issues. Poor or incomplete data can reduce accuracy. High implementation cost. AI systems require investment in software, hardware, and training. Ethical concerns. Workforce displacement as automation replaces certain jobs. And finally, cybersecurity risk. AI driven supply chains are vulnerable to hacking. The future of AI in supply chains is promising. With advancements in machine learning and IoT, we see fully connected autonomous supply chains that operate with minimal human intervention. Imagine smart factories ordering raw materials automatically, self driving trucks delivering goods, and AI predicting global demand shifts weeks in advance. So, are you ready to put AI to work in your supply chain? Whether you are running a small retail store or a global enterprise, opportunities are endless. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. How do you think AI will change supply chains in the next 10 years? Thanks for watching, and remember the future of supply chains is intelligent.